Mr. Trudeau, if you decide to call an election, before you do, call for reparation for my family for the harm in that subdivision. The lack of accountability by other federal governments along the way. Hold accountability, make reparation for my family. Because it was wrong. And the ancestors will cause havoc on everybody that played a part. Doesn't matter what level of government, they're going to get it from the ancestors. It's just the way it is. The way it is. You got to pay that karmic debt, right? But reparation for my family